Today, we're going to show you how to use Kansas Analytics to improve the consistency of specific data. This can be done for residential properties as well as commercial. And today, we're going to use an example of some commercial properties. We'll use convenience stores. So in this county, we'll go into our review data and go in our commercial main file. And we'll limit our data to convenience stores. Okay, so we'll hit our filter. First thing we want to do is let's sort this by year built, oldest to newest. And there are a number of ways you can select by, but I'm going to use structure code, which is going to be probably the most typical and most accurate. And we're going to look for convenience stores, mini marts. Okay, that's going to be our broadest search for these. And here we go. And you'll notice the oldest one is 1960, and then we get newer, so they are sorted accurately. Let's look at our stats real quickly. There's 23 of them with a pretty broad range of cost per square foot, which makes sense. Average year built 1983, and we range from 1960 to 2023, so that's a pretty broad range. 1960 is kind of old for a convenience store, so that might want to be checked. But what we recommend is, first of all, just scroll through your data and look for consistencies in your LBCS function. Obviously, LBCS structure code is going to be the same. And your occupancy. So you just scroll through and see if you find any inconsistency in how that's applied. So you can check each of these properties. Then you may want to look at such things as your rank, see if they're off a little bit or if they're consistent. You also want to look for those properties where there is something in addition to a convenience store. Sometimes you have multiple use properties where there's a convenience store and a mini storage behind it, or like in the case of the second property, this is an RV park with mini storage. So you want to be aware of those. You can check any number of these things. If you got some things that you want to check specifically on a property, you can obviously go to their worker report, their county parcel search. And once you decide and you're sure you've got all your convenience stores property, you can simply download a CSV file, move it to wherever you want to put it. We'll just stick it here. And you may want to rename it and call it convenience stores. And we'll save that. We'll open it. Just like any list manager list, you delete the header. And now you have a list to go out and print your PRCs or do whatever it is that you want to do with them. Pull them up in List Manager. That's how easy it is. You look for consistency, you look for problems, you look for issues that says something's not right here. And this is a very quick way to do this, and it's a very simple sample. Thank you.